A successful CMM installation is your goal, and ours. We want to help you get your machine up and running as soon as possible. What do you need to do to have a successful installation? Let's go over some installation tips. First, be sure you reference your specific machine's installation guide on our customer portal. Zeiss Customer Care will check in with you to make sure you have all the information you need and help you ensure your facility is ready for the CMM installation. The site conditions must be verified before scheduling the visit of our technician. Get your machine to its destination. Start with these critical measurements: the floor and ceiling loading capacity of the transport routes leading to the installation site. The doorways and transport routes must be at least 4 inches or 10 centimeters wider and higher than the CMM assemblies, including the transport vehicles carrying them. Next up, you must measure the sum of the height of the CMM and the minimum sub-ceiling installation clearance. For the required minimum room height above the floor or foundation, refer to the CMM installation dimensions. It sounds obvious, but make sure you have enough floor space for your CMM. You want to create a floor plan on a CAD system? You can obtain a DXF and/or DWG file with the dimensions of your CMM from the customer portal. When creating a floor plan, ensure that your CMM is readily accessible from all sides. Never install it near transport routes. Select the installation site so that the distance between the CMM and the wall or other machines is at least 31.5 inches or 800 millimeters. The floor surface must be clean and the unevenness of the bearing surfaces must not exceed 1 inch or 25 millimeters. Your machine made it to its destination. Great! The Zeiss technician will open the containers and verify that you have all the system components you need, including the measuring machine, the CMM controller, the control panel, and the data station or other peripheral devices. CMMs are high-tech products. The location should be good for your CMM. The promised quality and accuracy can be attained only if you observe certain conditions. Some examples include permissible storage temperature, especially important in the winter, permissible lab temperature, permissible humidity, noise level at the installation site, permissible floor vibrations. Many seemingly tiny things can affect accuracy: dust, airflow and air quality, windows and doors, light, motion, and body heat. Consider all of these factors before installation. Once your machine's set up, bring it to life. Your manual has specifics on clean electric power supply and parameters. An internet connection is required if you want teleservice, and you'll need the air pressure required to operate your CMM as described in your manual. Check the quality of the air pressure hoses. Eliminate any oil or water that could damage them. Remember, we want you to have a successful CMM installation. The CMM transportation route, room height, required components, environmental conditions, and required connections are all critical factors. Following these guidelines for your specific machine will ensure your system is up and running as soon as possible.